Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are learn opposite words, antonyms. So let's begin. New, old, up, down, happy, sad, soft, hard, high, low, clean, dirty, dry, wet, arrive, live, light, dark, good, bad, little, much, even, odd, same, different, rich, poor, on, off, love, hate, slow, fast, full, empty, short, tile, day, night, love, whip, near, far, good, bad, hot, cold, complete, incomplete, buy, sell, warm, cool, ancient, modern, bitter, sweet, agree, disagree, able, unable, cheap, expensive, comfort, discomfort, question, answer, internal, external, few, many.
Yeah.